Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to manage Duet and Stitch videos that maybe are associated with your TikTok content. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure of how to get to this page, all you have to do is select the profile icon in the bottom right, and then you can select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on that, and select settings and privacy. Underneath account, you can select the privacy option. And then underneath interaction, you want to go underneath Duet, left click on that. Manage associated videos, select right in here where you can view or remove associated Duet and Stitch videos. If there's anything listed in here, you can go ahead and modify those permissions, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.